Hi, and welcome to part 12 of my videos I'm doing on memories, memory lane, whatever you want to call it. I've decided to do one big video dump. This is one of the video dumps. There's probably going to be a few more, but anyway, this is what I call video dump. I have quite a few videos included in this particular video. Old videos, old pictures, whatnot that I took, slideshows rather. So I decided, I'm sitting here, I left the picnic area. Right now, I'm at the Shenandoah National Park in Virginia. I was at a picnic area, and then I left. It is about 4 p.m. now. I'm not getting quite as much done. Not done. Let me rephrase that. I'm not getting quite as much exploration as I thought I would, but I stopped at a number of overlooks. I've done a lot of video, taken a lot of pictures. I'm here. I'm going to get out here in just a few minutes and take some pictures, do some video. But I stopped at the picnic area because my phone needs to charge, and it just kept dropping, So I knew I had to stop for a little bit and try to let it charge. I've talked about this in other videos where I'm having an issue with my phone's not charging up quite as well, or I'm having a problem with it charging. I'm having a problem with it overheating. Since I got this new it's a home charger, but I plug it into an inverter box. Since I have this new charger that the pastor's wife gave me when I ran my car into the ditch, it's working better. It's not overheating. It's charging up pretty quickly. But right now, and it is a super fast charger, the problem is that I'm also uploading a video to YouTube, and I'm behind by like 55 videos. And not all of them are long, some of them are short, but regardless, I need to get some of them uploaded because I'm so far behind, and I'm using up a lot of it's taking up a lot of space on my phone. I think every day I'm having to try to dump off, a few extra pictures, few extra videos, some of which I've already uploaded to YouTube or done something with. But anyway, right now, I'm at roughly 130, I think, or 140 gigabytes used up just by video. So anyway, that's part of the reason I'm going to do this video dump, get rid of some of these videos. I don't have to, I could just delete them, but I kind of don't want to. This is kind of a, just walking down, going back and going back to a time. For me, I don't know. It's about me, really, I guess. Anyways, over the years, I've taken thousands upon thousands upon thousands of photographs. Some of these were, I think, still on my phone. A lot of these were still on my phone, and many of them were still on my phone, and that's partly why I decided to keep them, or make copies of them rather, and do, make some slideshows out of them. Now, a few of them are not. I have about 30 pictures that I downloaded from Facebook that were taken at like the Death Valley National Park in California. However, those pictures are not big. They're very tiny. So the videos themselves are very tiny. The pictures I've since deleted, but the videos I still have, and they're very, very tiny because they downloaded a much smaller format from Facebook. But anyway, I'm here at the Overlook, and I'm going to continue with this part 12 video dump. Anyway, let's get to it. Here are 5 video slideshows taken at various places. The first couple were taken at Kings Mountain State Park. One of the videos was taken in South Carolina, which is, I think, South Carolina Highway 97. And then there's a couple of others. This next video is a rather long, a little bit longer video, a slideshow, maybe to music, maybe not. I didn't listen to it anyway. It was taken at a lake. I think it was on Lake. I want to say either Carter's Lake or Lake Allatoona. Most likely Carter's Lake in Georgia. The next 6 videos are various nature, lakes, just various nature slideshows. Hi, this next video is a video that I accidentally skipped when I was actually pulling my videos together. Anyway, it is a nature video, not sure exactly where, that I put music to. This next video is in South Carolina near Aiken, of the highway signs in South Carolina. Here's another longer video taken on Lake Hartwell in South Carolina, or rather South Carolina and Georgia. The next 3 videos were taken at a river. This next video is one I turned to black and white, and it was in Virginia last year. The next 6 videos are of various nature. 2 of them are of sunsets. One is an absolute gorgeous sunset. Some of the videos I had to move back, so 2 of the sunsets didn't get included in this video. Anyway, just various. I'm not sure where I was when I took these videos or these pictures. Just various places and various nature. Okay, this concludes part 12 of the videos I've been doing on memories, memory lane, video dump. This turned out not to be as big of a video dump as I had planned. I had actually planned on dumping about 50 videos into this one video. Probably a little too much, but anyway, that was my plan. But then I realized, wait a second, that's not going to work, because my camera my phone rather only allows me to pull together 60 at one time. So I wouldn't have enough time or enough video space to be able to do, a few of the extra introductions I wanted to do. I try to pull the smaller videos together and then the bigger videos do an introduction to. Anyway, just weird way I do things. Anyway, I'm still sitting here at the same overlook in Shenandoah National Park, and I'm going to pull this video together. Still waiting for my phone to charge up a bit. And then I might have time to pull it together a second one, and then I'll be on my way. So anyway, this concludes this video. I hope everyone has a good week, good month. God bless. Peace.